We have looked at before the metronome, where the hands stay roughly still and the head of the mace moves side to side. We're now going to look at the inverse metronome, which is a nice little tweak, a little level to build up to 360 if you're still not quite getting it there yet. And this is where the head of the mace stays still, but this time the hands move side to side. And this is a bit more specific to, say, the traditional style of mace swings, where we twist the body before we drop. This is teaching you that control and try and keep the head of the mace still in space and time, but this time move the hands side to side to develop that wrist control and awareness of the mace.